color. See, this water is pink in color. It's called Karingali Vellam. Padi? Padimugam. ഇത് റൂട്ടാ
മരത്തിന്റെ
This is Padimugam and it's Ayurvedic property. So if you see, it is pink in color. Friends, that what you see in front, all rubber plantation. This is the canal. See, pineapple plantation on your right. That's all pineapple plantation. What you see, this one, this is called aqueduct. And they used to supply water. It's a very old house. So this is an aqueduct. There is a water flowing from there like this. It goes to another place. You can see water here down. So it's leaking now. So that's where the paddy fields and other plantation. They used to provide water from this aqueduct. Now this place is Muvatapura. There is a circle here. And these vehicles, what you see, they are all going to Sabrimala. This all is for Sabrimala. Now I'll show you beautiful houses here. Now one is coming on the left. See the houses. There is another aqueduct over there. Can you see that is an aqueduct? Here they are supplying water. Even today, the water is supplied by these aqueducts to different places because this is a mountainous area. Mountain area, you cannot put the water down and take it up. See a beautiful house. So what happens? You have to keep the same level. To keep the same level, they built an aqueduct so that the water will flow from up to down. Otherwise, now this is low, then there is a mountain on the right. What happens? Then the water cannot flow. And those days there were no pumps. So that's why these aqueducts were built. There's another house here. There's one more house here. What you see on your left here, this house, that is where rubber is, when the rubber is, they squeeze the water from the rubber. There is a machine inside that. So they squeeze the water and then they put it for drying. Can you stop here? We'll just see this. We just take a round and come now. One more beautiful house. Take. One more old house, very old house. And we came back here and just wanted to see this small river. I don't know which river it is. Friends, see the view here. There's water flowing. And this is a bridge. And this is the view. Let me take you on the other side. Here, the people who go to Sabrimala, they are having bath in this river, and the water is so clear. See here, they all are taking bath here. This is the river. So beautiful it is. See here. No garbage, no rubbish thrown in the river. That's why I like Kerala. I'll just take it here and see the water so clean. See, there is a small bird flying. I'm waiting for my car. So our car coming. That's our car. And this is the beauty. This place, most of the people who live here are Christians. I think 80% will be Christians. And seeing this house, you don't feel you are in India, in some other European country. Movatipura Rubber Marketing Cooperative Society. So this, as I said, this is the place where the rubber is grown. And yeah, there's a police officer and he looks very dangerous. So now we are heading back to Palakkad, and we started at about 2:30. 2:15 we started. No, what time we started?
2:15.
2:15. Okay, so 2:15 we started, and now we are heading back. Already 1 hour over. We bought some pineapple, oranges, and custard apple. I'll show you that things. I forgot to take a video of the price. It's so cheap here. Yeah, and also Nendrapalam, that is the big banana. So we have come to Indian Coffee House. This is chain of restaurants in Kerala, especially in Kerala. Very famous, and waiters will have uniform. A very famous restaurant all over Kerala, and I told you they have uniforms. Can you see? This guy over here, he has a very good uniform over there. Guys, I saw some things here. Tender coconut. So let me try this. Guys, can you see this here? He's the person who started this coffee house in Kerala. AK Gopalan, AKG we call it. And here is the menu. And I don't understand what is without coffee and eighth one is without tea. Get so many things here. So he's the person, and everywhere it's very clean, very cheap. If you see fresh lime, it's not very expensive. And see the uniform. They have a very good uniform. See, is bringing water, and that water is pink in color. See, this water is pink in color. It's called Karingali Vellam. Padi? Padimugam. This root? This is Padimugam, and it's Ayurvedic property. So if you see, it is pink in color. Let me show you. See, it's pink in color. So it's they have some Ayurvedic properties in this, and they boil it. It becomes like this. Very good for health. And I'm tasting it. The taste is like water, but it's warm, not hot, but warm. So it tastes like water, no much difference. You don't get any other taste, but it's good for health, they say. So Padam Puri, this is called banana bhaji, and this is cutlet.
Chicken. Doble.
Either veg.
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 Chicken.
Okay, no problem. Venda. No problem. So coming to Indian coffee house and not having a coffee doesn't give justice. So what we are having is veg cutlet I am having, and a coffee. So I purchased fresh tender coconut water, Abad. And if you see, this is from Trishur, from my native place, and it's about 150 rupees. It's 150 rupees. So one hot coffee, 2 soft drinks, banana fry, cutlets, 7 cutlets. The total amount came to 402. I'm taking this at home. We had a very good coffee and a cutlet. So behind me is the Indian coffee house, and I saw something here. Let me show you. So my favorite car is here, the Ambassador. Here you can see inside. So that's my favorite car. And it is so strong, the body is complete metal. This one is complete metal. So if it goes and dashes some other car, the other car will be fully destroyed. See the dashboard. So bye to Indian coffee house, and Vijit is driving. Hope the roads are empty. So we had a very good coffee at the Indian coffee house and cutlet and also padampuri. See this tuk-tuk. It had been to Sabrimala and now they are returning back. And that fellow is from Tamil Nadu. And this guy is from Tamil Nadu. This auto tuk-tuk is from Tamil Nadu, not from Kerala. Let me show you from here. Here he is. He is from Coimbatore. Okay. So 66 TN means Tamil Nadu. 66 is Coimbatore. Kerala vehicles we have KL. So here, if you turn on the left, you go to Thrissur. That is my hometown. There is a road now you can see that goes to Thrissur. Can you see that road? So that road goes to Thrissur. And we are going straight to Palakkad. So this is Kalla. Kalla means toddy. So they are going back after delivering the toddy. Vijit is saying because there are 6 lanes here, 3 on the left and 3 on the right, you can go at a speed of 110. But if there are 4 lanes, you have to go at a speed of 100. The private vehicles, not the yellow board. Yellow board is public, it means taxis and all that, lorries. So they cannot go at that speed. But private vehicles at here 110 and on the 4 lane 100. Friends, can you see this viaduct? This is aqueduct built by the British. Friends, this house is what you see on your left side. Can you see this houses on your left? They're all new ones. Because this road was constructed, they were given some compensation and they rebuilt their houses near to the highway. So they were shifted from this road. They were on this road, and when the road was built, they shifted to the other side. We are entering the tunnel again. There is some problem on the right tunnel, so they have shifted it here. See how the rocks were cut. This is the way they cut this. This is the escape tunnel. It is connected to another tunnel there. This one. We are out of the tunnel. This is the hill. These are the houses. One more house. So this house all were on the road here. So they were given other land and they built the houses there. They could get, there is a church also here. They could get good compensation. You can see there are 2 lanes here, on the right 2 lanes, 4 lanes. So here the speed limit is 100. We are going at a speed of 90. So we took a cut now. We entered the small road. This is the small road which we entered. So the shops over here. That ends our tour now. We are returning. Long journey, we reached back home. Yes, Vijay. He was driving for about no more than 6, about 7 to 8 hours it is. And thank you, Vijay. Nice driving. Let me tell you, anyone in Palakkad wants to hire him, he should contact. I put his number in the description. And thank you, Vijit, for the nice driving. Really, let me tell you, his driving was really good. So thanks, Vijit. And oh, my brother-in-law is there. And he is very close to Vijit. Yeah, so he's a driver on call. My brother-in-law says anytime you can call him, 24 hours, huh, Vijit? 24 hours. So I'll write his number in the description, mobile number. You can call him anytime if you are in Palakkad. So friends, thanks for watching my channel. Thank you very much. I am saying bye from Palakkad. Thank you.